Alright folks, this is a 2015 Ford Taurus where you're going to change the cabin air filter. It's in the glove box. So you open the glove box and there's two little tabs, one on each side right there. Okay, squeeze them in and the glove box will drop. Then over here in this little corner here, you got that little shock that holds it. You see a little slot and then there's a hole. What you want to do is you just want to grab it from the back and just lift it up a little bit. And it'll slide up and up and just push it out of the way, right? Then this whole drawer will drop. Once the drawer drops, you're gonna see it. It's right in there. That little rectangle box right there, that's where it is. All right, and there's two little tabs, one there and one there. And what you wanna do is you wanna just bend those tabs out and then you're gonna see the filter. See if I can do it here. There it is right there. You see that filter? See where it says airflow? There's an arrow pointing down. Make sure it goes back the same way. That's an original Ford one. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to do an STP one. All right, that's the model number right there. See the airflow? I got the arrow pointing down. And that's the way it's going to go here. Airflow coming down. So go in there and grab the little bugger. Oh yeah. Think it's a little dirty? Just a tab, right? Just a tab. Remember what I said? Airflow down. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna take it in. Let's shove it back in there. Nice and easy. So I get around that little harness over here. And we'll push it in. It's hard to do with my left hand here by myself. Right, hold on, I'm just gonna pause you for a second. All right, back in business. All right, yeah, you need two hands to force it in because you gotta squeeze the sides a little bit. All right, other than that, there you go, put it all in there. Sits nice, don't forget about the airflow. The cover, we're just gonna go into these little tabs here. And then it's going to snap in. Snap, snap. Good as gold there. Okay? Now to put it back, don't forget the little shock that goes in a little tiny hole over here. And then squeeze the two sides in. Line up your little glove box over here. And you're good to go. Alright. Simple. Alright. Thanks. Ciao.